My name is Sacha Schoenfeld and I'm the head of the immigration team here at Fox Williams, and I'm going to talk today about EU nationals, that's Europeans, in the UK now. Although the government are telling those people that they don't need to do anything or address any issues now, we are saying that they should actually make any applications they can now to protect their status and those of any family members who are here with them. And broadly speaking, this will affect EU nationals who are here as workers. So that might mean people who are employed or self-employed. It'll also affect people who are self-sufficient, who are job seeking or who are students. We don't know yet what the agreement's going to be, and it's worth emphasising that although the UK have put forward a set of proposals, the EU haven't approved or agreed with those as yet. What we're advising people do in order to protect their status and their ability to stay in the UK as far as possible is to apply for permanent residence if they can, and if they can't, apply for registration as an EU national working and living in the UK. That may well protect them now and going forward when we do Brexit. They would be eligible to apply for and obtain permanent residence if they can show that they've been in the UK for 5 years, exercising a continuous right as a worker, as a self-employed person, as a student or as a self-sufficient person. Permanent residence could well allow them to be in the UK beyond Brexit, and is likely to do so. In addition, what the UK are now proposing is that people who have been in the UK for any length of time should apply for a so-called settled status. Now, that's going to mean that another application may need to be made. Even if a European national already has permanent residence, they may well need to make another application when we do Brexit or just before to confirm their ability to remain in the UK indefinitely. Nobody really understands or knows yet what this so-called settled status is going to entail, but the government have emphasised that it will be a light touch process. It will be simple, it won't take a great deal of time, and it will allow EU nationals who are here now, those who have been here for 5 years and those who have not yet been here for 5 years, to stay permanently. What we don't know is when the cut-off date will be, the so-called cut-off date, after which time EU nationals who are here now, who are currently have freedom of movement to work and live in the UK, when that freedom of movement will end. Theresa May has said it will end at the point of Brexit, that it's not likely to be before the 29th of March 2019. The government have assured us that there's nothing to be afraid of, and that EU nationals here will be treated in the same way as they are currently, and they will be able to stay indefinitely. But there are plenty of gaps in the offer they have made. They haven't, for example, dealt with those who are self-employed. They haven't dealt with the issue of those with non-EU family members. So there may be things to be afraid of. The main thing is, if you are a European working and living here, make any application you possibly can now to protect your rights going forward.